1, 2, 3. Alright.
Not too bad.
A few moments later.
Give me some more.
Yo!
But you can't rub it.
Oh my god, more of me. Yo, what's up guys, your boy Briscoe. Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, you're joined by two of my brethren. I am Chado and Ryan Excel. If you want to check them out, you can check them out on Instagram. And today we're going to do the one chip challenge. So one out of it, I forgot to do a whole chip because I'm allergic to spice stuff. I'm gonna try chance it, so Mr. Chino wire, so I'm gonna do one whole chip. Start off the video first. I'm read the warning. It says, do not eat if you're sensitive to spicy foods, allergic to peppers, and speak about reach of children after touching the chip. Wash your hands with soap and do not touch your eyes. Other sensitive areas, seek medical assistance should you experience difficulty breathing, fainting, or extended nausea. We do have a medic on standby. She's ready to carry by the hospital just in case. So this is, you know, the box and all. You can't open that one. Just do because. Oh.
Pull it and let's go.
Me a sweat already.
I'm nervous.
Me a sweat. What the hell? Oh my gosh. Yeah, so this is pretty much how it opens out. And then you have the chip in it. So one chip open or crush. You also get this. Alright, I don't know what it is. So Paqui one chip challenge 2020. So I guess you can see this. Rules of the challenge: eat the entire chip, wait as long as possible before drinking or eating anything, post your reaction on social media. One chip challenge and mention Paqui chips. Alright, so yeah, we're going to do one.
This one looks
So we're not going to do one. This stuff you save on time. You don't want to crack. Alright, no, because this can go down here. Alright, so that would be like. So I'm gonna try open. Ready. Oh my god. As them travel from overseas, you see that they mash up. So we're not gonna have one ship. Well, we have one ship, but them kinda. That's not right. It's so true. So the one that kind of break up. So whoa. Eat them.
You're not eating crumbs.
Whoa, what the
Bad man.
brother, what is brother? Damn. Alright. So you ready? The count at 3. God, you ready? You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bad man. You know my nose, me feel it.
With tongue. I'm not too bad. I'm not so like it.
So you're not trouble, you know? Yeah, trouble there.
No.
Yo. Wait.
This hot. This hot, brother. Hold on.
Wait, juice. This no one. Juice. God, my eyes are rolling.
Wait, milk.
He needs some milk.
Give me some more.
I'm allergic to spice stuff.
Yo. But you can't rub it.
Oh my god, more of me.
What the hell?
What the hell?
I thought this. You cheat. This the right.
Are you right here?
No, no.
It's not ever for me idea. I never signed up for this.
I taste it, man.
My mouth a drain.
Yeah, I wrote that.
My nose a run. Oh my god.
Youth. I feel it. One box of surge milk.
Good.
You good?
No, nice.
You good?
Yo. Something like.
Is this channel?
For YouTube. Guys.
You come like heat now, stop.
We can't stop. It come like you just get worse. Yeah. Worse. With every go we go.
Yeah.
Hold that, move. Move. Ice come, Butch. Come. Quick.
I have some more water, eh? You have water?
Water, man. Oh shit.
Oh, ice, there's something there. See that something there, no, that's something there. Wish it well.
And this again, never.
Yeah. Come and sweat.
Oh, look a piece of chip stuck around and so enough, and it's a bone out my mouth.
Yo, man, sweat out hell. Like, can I get one next napkin or something?
I here.
Alright.
With why still have
It up. Take time, feel it.
what?
A little bit cooler, but
Back on the
still hot.
Oh god, what the hell?
And my kids.
Oh.
This is Jamaicans try one chip challenge. Yeah.
Youth.
I recommend this thing about you.
No, do it to yourself. It's still hot, you know?
Back on the tongue, right? Relax. Back on the tongue. If I'm on fire.
Hold on. Conclude though.
So hot.
To the one chip challenge. I would recommend this to nobody. You have accent, no.
One chip something.
And not even one we eat. Like, we just eat one cookies.
I mean, there's a...
And you
Right no more.
yeah, the sacrificial love. No, yeah.
You know it no more, yo.
Yo.
Suppose I want to really take.
More
Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe.
Like,
to the
subscribe,
channel.
and share to Brisk Media.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching.
Follow us on Instagram.
Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
America.
Wait a minute! Who are you?